Well, the bush hog, or brush hog, whatever you want to call it, rotary mower. It's an Agri X, so it's not a name brand. But anyway, it's done a great job, by the way. Little 5-footer. But it kind of started making this squeaking sound, which I thought was a back wheel because it was just an occasional squeak, squawk. But I could hear it over all the clanging and banging of the normal mowing process. So I thought, after I park it, I'll put a little bit of grease into everything, because I hadn't greased it since I started. Of course, I haven't used it but about maybe 8 or 10 hours, so I didn't figure I needed to yet. So I went around and I greased I thought it was the wheel. So I greased the back wheel, I greased the back everything. Then I came up here and I greased the front of the PTO shaft, and I went to grease the center of the PTO shaft. I don't know how well you'll be able to see this, but the grease zerk is gone. I went to put grease on it, and there wasn't no way to put grease on it. It's just gone. So that's what I'm out here doing today. I got me some new grease zerks, a couple of toothpicks to clean the crud out of the hole so I'm not pumping dirt down in there as best I can. And of course, a pair of pliers to put the grease zerk in. So that's what I'm doing today. And considering I'm using my phone and I'm out here by myself, I can't really show you the process of me doing it. But I'm going to put it in now, and then I'll show you when I get done. Okay. Well, I tried. It didn't work. Apparently I got the wrong size zerk for that size hole. Little did I know they make these in dozens of sizes just to confuse the living crap out of everybody. Don't standardize things and make it easy. Well, got me some trusty wrenches. They're metric, which everything's going to metric now, because the rest of the world's gone crazy. The United States is the only one left doing it normal. Anyway, my own opinion on that. I am 55 years old, so I grew up with normal measurements, not metrics. Get this thing going. This area of the yard here is going to be something I'm going to need to run it through, but I am going to have to watch out for that guy. He's kind of a big one. I think there's another one back in there somewhere too. Good sized rock. Yeah, I see it over there. So, let me get the wrenches out. See what happens. Okay, well, I got it out. It came out pretty easy, even though it's not metric, surprisingly. One of the metrics was close enough, it turned it. Now I just need to make sure I get any gunk and goop out of there. You can see it's kind of in need of a good cleaning. And go to the hardware store and get the right zerk. Be right back. Okay, well, went to the store. Turns out it wasn't the zerk that came unscrewed from the little elbow thingy. That's all one piece, pressed together. That's why I couldn't get it to thread in. So here we are, going back out here to try one more time. I went ahead and left the tools I need there, so we'll see how this goes. We'll be back when I'm done, or if it's not done, I'll let you know what went wrong. Okay, that wasn't so bad. I got it threaded in there. Let's see if it takes grease. And now, did it take grease? Let's take a look. See, it oozed out the side. So that means she's full of grease. And that's the main thing. So, one more project out of the way. We're ready to bush hog again. Thanks for watching.